There's one thing we missed in the last video, Nick.
What?
We said that we were going to put this with level name and also with level version.
Oh.
So
Right, yes.
Let's put in level version. Check out how easy this is once you've already got the query done. You just put level version and then add that to the group by. And it's done.
Alright, see you next time.
Pretty much, yeah. We just have to add it into this one as well. So attributes dot level version into the second style of average time we were doing, and then down the bottom we put here level version.
In the group by.
Level version in the group by here. Yes, good point. I would have stuffed that up.
Also, you're missing a comma there.
I know. I went back to put the level version in there.
Is that a comma? Yes.
It is.
Yes, not
and
an
then I put a
apostrophe.
comma, and then not an apostrophe. And that is all we need to do to introduce level versions into our level name breakdowns.
That must be a world record.
Oh yeah, it's the fastest video we've done.
Yep.
Alright, that's it everybody. We'll see you in the next video.
See you later.